Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Hello, my name is Syed. I'm student of grade 8B, Identity School, Doha, Qatar. Today, we are discussing the chapter Algebraic Expressions and Identities. And this is my 19th video and third video on this chapter. So today, we are going to start question number 3 from exercise 9.1, which is at the following. There are 4 questions given in this. So first question is AB minus BC, then BC minus CA, CA minus AB. So there are 3 terms given in this. All are binomials. So it's not important to look at the categories. So what we have to do, first write the terms. So we are going to write the first term at the beginning. A, B, then minus B, C. So this is the first term. Now we have to write one here and one here. But why? This is the question. But why? Why? Because if there is no value for variables, then we are going to write the constant as 1. So there is that is 1 AB minus 1 BC. Then BC minus CA. Now what we have to do, all the same variables we have to write in same terms, in same line, which we can call it as like terms. Now we are going to write BC. So as I said, this will be minus. So this will be positive. Then 1 BC. So this is 1 BC. And then minus CA. So there is no variable CA in this whole sum. So we are going to take another new column for CA, which is minus 1 CA. So for every variable we are going to write. Now there are 2 variables, we are going to write only 1, not 2. So CA minus AB. Then here we are going to write CA first here, for the like terms. Then this will be 1 CA plus 1 CA. Then AB. Now AB is coming at this term. So we are going to write 1 AB, which is minus 1 AB. So now we are going to add them, the whole sum. So 1 minus 1 equals 1 minus, this is minus sign and this is plus sign. So which is equal to 0. So we have got here 0, minus plus is equals to minus. So minus 1 minus 1 minus 1 minus 1 is equals to 0. Then minus 1 and plus 1, which is also equal to, this will be negative sign. Then 1 minus 1 is equals to 0. Then here 1 and minus 1. Then this will be positive plus. Then positive plus plus minus, which is equal to minus. So minus 1 minus 1 is equals to 0. So what we have got answer for this is equals to 0. Now for A we have got the answer 0. Now let's go to the second question. Now second question, what they're asking us, A minus B plus AB. So 1A plus 1B. This is a statement here. Plus AB. So there is plus AB. So there are 3 terms in it. Plus 1AB. And the second, and what is the second term? So second term is B minus C. So 1B is here. So this will be 1B. So there is no column for C. So we are going to take a new column for C. So which is equal to, this is C, which is minus sign, then minus 1C, then plus BC. We are going to take one more column for plus BC. Then what we are going to write, C minus A. So C minus A. Now what is C? C is here. So we are going to write positive C. Then plus 1C. Then A. Now A is here. So we are going to write minus 1A because there is minus sign here. And then plus AC. Now where is AC? There is no AC in it. So we are going to take a new column for I'm going to take some space for writing this. Then plus plus 1AC plus 1AC. Now what we are going to do, we are going to add them, the whole sum. Then here 1 as it is, then 1AC, it is equal to 1 only, then BC as it is, this is 1, so BC as it is, this is also plus BC. Remember one thing I would like to say you, here we found the whole answer, but it was 0, so we didn't multiply, we didn't add, we didn't do anything, we wrote the answer as the direct answer. But here we are going to get different values, so I would like to say you that we are not going to add the total sum, we are going to keep it as it is. So this is minus 1C plus 1C. So one is negative and one is positive. So which is equal to 0. So this is equal to 0. And then B plus 1AB. So this is 1AB. So we are going to write plus 1AB as it is. It was minus here. So we are not going to write the value of 0. We are going to remove it from the statement. Then 1B and 1B plus 1B. Now where is this one? What is the sign of this? Now 1B here. Which one? This second one. So this is positive only. We are going to write here 2B. And then the last one, which is equal to 0. Okay, so here one positive 1 and negative 1, which is equal to 0. 1 minus 1 is equals to 0. Then here also what we did, minus 1 and plus 1, which is equal to 0b. So we are not going to include this in the final statement. Then plus 1 as it is, then minus 1c, then plus 1c, which is equal to 0c, then plus 1bc, which is equal to as it is, then plus 1ac, so which is equal to as it is, then which is equal to plus ac. Then the final statement for this is AB. Remember, I would like to say you a point, it's in your wish. I want to remind you, as we know that AB plus BC plus AC. Now this one we have, it's in our wish. If we want to write it, we can write it, because it's the same meaning for it. So it's in our hand. If we want to write, we can write it. Then AB plus it's BC, AB plus BC, here BC plus AC. So I am writing without number, without ones, because the question is given without numbers. So I am going to write without the answer also without the numbers, without the constants. So this answer is equals to AB plus BC plus AC. So this is the answer for the question number 2. Now let's go to the question number 3. I'm going to rub this. I'm going to erase this both questions because we need enough space for question number 3. So I'm going to erase them and do the third one. I've done question number 1 and question number 2. So now we are going to do the question number 3. So this is the question. Now what they are asking in the question, let's make the statement. I'm going to do here, enough space here. Then 2p square q square. We are going to write the first expression as it is. Now 2p square q square minus 3pq plus 4. Then the second statement is the second expression. It's starting from 5. So 5, which is equal to, it doesn't have any variable and something, nothing else it has. So we are going to write it with 4, because 4 also doesn't has anything. Then 7pq. So the 7pq is with minus 3pq. So it is positive. So we are going to write here plus 7pq. Then the last one is minus 3p square q square. So we are going to write here minus 3p square and q square. Now we are going to add them. So first one is 4 plus 5, which is equal to 9. Then we are going to write here positive 9. Then minus 3 plus 7. Now minus plus 7, minus plus plus, which is equal to minus. So negative sign, negative 3 minus 7, which is equal to positive 4, because 7 has the bigger sign. Because the bigger number sign we have to put on the result. So the 7 is the bigger number, so plus has the plus its sign. So positive PQ. Then the last one. Then this 2 minus 3. 2 minus 3, which is equal to 1. So the bigger sign is minus. So we are going to write it minus P square Q square. Why no 1? Why I am not writing 1 here? As I said, as I mentioned in the previous one, as we did in the previous one, this question, we didn't wrote 1 here in the answer. So we are going to write it as P square Q square. Now the total answer for this is equal to minus P square Q square, then plus 4PQ plus 4PQ, then plus 9. So this is the answer for the third one. Now let's go for the question number 4. Now question number 4, what they are asking? L square plus M square. Then we are going to write it here first. Then L square plus M square. So this is the first statement, the first expression. Then what is the second one? M square plus N square. Now as I said as I mentioned, the first one which we did was we took one for every variable which doesn't have constant. Then one here and one here. And then M square plus N square, the like terms. So like terms are then positive 1 M square, then here plus, so plus 1 N square. We are going to make a new column for N because there is no column with the N, with the variable N. Then N square, then N square plus L square. So plus 1 N square. Then here we are going to write plus because it's positive here, L square, here L square. So plus 1 L square. Now we are going to write the last statement, which is equal to 2LM. Now 2LM we are going to write in the last one, 2LM plus 2MN plus 2MN, and then in last this is M, and this is 2NL. So there we are going to make a new column for this, which is equal to 2NL. Now it's a little bit long, but no need to worry, it's easy. Now let's start with the last one. So which is equal to, there is nothing up, then 2NL as it is. Then positive sign here, this is 2, then positive sign here, positive sign here. Then 2MN, which is equal to as it is, which is equal 2MN. Now this is 2LM, this is L, don't get confused. Then which is equal to 10LM. Here also we are going to write positive sign. Now what are the question here? Now what is the question here? Plus 1 and plus 1. So which is equal to plus plus, which is equal to plus. So 1 plus 1, 2. 2n square. Now we are going to write positive sign here as it is as in the question. Then 1 plus 1 m square, which is equal to 2m square. Then the last one, 1l square plus 1l square, so which is equal to 2l square. Now we have got every variable has every term has the constant as 2. So what we are going to do, we can write the answer as this also. I'm writing here is equals to sorry is equals to, I'm writing 2 out of the bracket, then L square plus M square plus N square plus LM plus MN, and in the last plus NL. We can write it also like this and also like this, because why I wrote like this was, we have each variable, in each term we have the constant as 2, here 2, here 2, 2, 2, 2, everywhere 2. So in each term we had this as 2, the variable as the constant as 2. So I wrote it out of the bracket so that it could be easy and not confusing. So we added all this, and now we are going to go on the next question. Thank you so much. Bye bye.